Hello everybody, it's AZD Spider, and I have a very important announcement for you. For many, many years, I've been involved in the process of the mind and the soul, communication. Ever since you've known me, I've been deeply immersed in this research. Although I dropped out of college a long time ago, and that was the greatest decision I made, I continued my studies into the human mind. One of the accomplishments you could say that I'm very proud of is that I am a practitioner of hypnosis under the Jacqueline Academy of Hypnosis in London, the most prestigious university in the entire world when it comes to hypnosis. I'm a certified hypnotherapist. Now, I've never actually done the practice publicly, but I've done it with all my top students and the people around me, and of course myself. I'm my own first candidate in this thing. Anyways, I'll be opening up a business in Las Vegas. It opens next month, which is December of 2025, and it's LV Hypnosis, Las Vegas Hypnosis. So you go to lasvegashypnosis.com and you get to experience my hypnosis. It's a very unique brand of hypnosis, like everything else. It works a lot with your storyline, imagination, and anything that you know that hypnosis can handle, look it up. I can do, and I can do it at a very, very, very high level. So if you'd like to register for that, you go to lvhypnosis.com. LV Hypnosis, not Las Vegas Hypnosis. I think. I'm a little confused now. Try lvhypnosis.com and you'll see me there, okay? All right, so I hope to see you guys there. We're gonna be starting the business in Las Vegas. If I can do it online through video, or we could do it in person in my office. I have an office in Las Vegas, and you'll see that very soon, okay? This is IMC Nation, AZD Spider, Hypnotherapy. Let's get it now. Be the best, and fuck the rest. I'll see you.